Hey girl, in this video I'm gonna show you the perfect summer wig. Oh my gosh, this is the one you need this summer because first of all, it's 100% glueless, no glue or lace spray involved. It's super easy to install and the quality is amazing, low maintenance. So keep on watching to see what I'm talking about. So this video is in collaboration with Love Me Hair, okay? So they sent me this super cute bob curly unit. This is a closure unit, okay? No lace front or anything. And y'all, love this already. I am here for lace closure units because that's when I know I definitely don't need glue or anything, especially if it has an elastic band like this to secure it on my head. And this is how it looks. This is how the hairline looks. Super cute. Okay, I love this hairline because it doesn't come with a widow's peak or anything. I don't have to customize anything. This is pre-plucked, the knots are bleached, so yeah, you pretty much can put this on your head and go out the door. All the work is done for you. This cut is super cute as well, perfect for summer because I don't want my hair, you know, to be sitting down my back, especially curly units. This length is perfect for the hot weather, right? So the first thing I'm gonna do is quickly style this unit, and honestly this hair was super easy to style because the curls pretty much came already super defined, but I still wanted to see how the hair would look like if I put some water on this hair and put my favorite curl definer for my wigs from Lush Brands, the curly all-in-one styler. That's the product that I always use on my curly units. So I just wanted to see how it looks when I apply these products and detangle with my tangle teaser to make the curls clump. And honestly, the results were bomb. So yeah, styling this unit took me like 5 minutes in total, and the curls stay defined, zero frizz, I'm telling you. So this is how the hair looks all styled, and you can see how bouncy these curls are, how natural it looks, and how thick and voluminous this hair is. So I'm in love already. So when it comes to installing this unit, it's literally the quickest install I've ever done. This is my hair in 2 messy braids, and I really don't care how my braids look because it doesn't matter, because this wig cap is so comfortable and snug and it fit my head perfectly. Okay, so I just put it on my head, as you can see, and then I just quickly diffuse this hair to make sure that it's just 100% dry, and that's it really. Like, I just put it on, adjusted the elastic band in the back, and voila, it's super secure right now. So I love me some units that are fast, beginner friendly, easy to install, because I don't have the time to do all of that, especially, you know, in summertime. I don't want to deal with that. And this is how the lace looks. You see, 100% glueless. I'm lifting this lace up, and you can see my hairline. It matches the hairline of the unit perfectly. It looks like my own hairline. It looks like it's growing from my scalp. So yeah, if a unit looks like that, girl, that's a win. That's definitely a win. And I didn't even do anything to it. No plucking, no bleaching, anything, okay? So this is how it came straight out of the box. I put it on my head, and I can go out the door if I want right now, and it looks good, okay? So this unit is perfect for those hot days right now because, you know, it's short, it's fluffy, it's easy to put on, it's easy to put off, it's breathable, the cap is breathable, it's 100% glueless because nobody wants to deal with glue in summertime, and yeah, you're good to go. And by the way, girl, they have so much more units like these ones, but different textures on their website. Love Me has this series of summer wigs. All these wigs are low in maintenance, they are short, they are breathable, they are fluffy, they are super easy to style, they are low maintenance, and they are also not too long, because sometimes a long wig can really make you sweaty in summer, let's be honest. So Love Me definitely has some cute options for us girls right now for this season. So definitely check out the links in my description box. It will direct you to the unit that I'm wearing right now, and also this summer series wigs from Love Me Hair. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.